It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me. My name's Oriana Bretschker. I'm the CEO and founder of Aquacycl. And what we do at Aquacycl is we make wastewater treatment better through our product, the BioElectrochemical Treatment Technology, or BETT. So wastewater is not something we think about a whole heck of a lot, but it is extremely energy intensive. In fact, the state of California spends 10% of its energy budget treating and moving water. Our industrial customers may spend millions a year to dispose of their high-strength wastewaters. And what I mean by high strength is something like 300 times more concentrated than what you'd see in a city sewer with organic carbon. Typically, this carbon is just sugar, but it acts as a toxicity issue for downstream treatment plants, these centralized treatment plants that we have today. So we provide a modular, on-site, plug-and-play system that can address these treatment issues, specifically for low volumes and high concentration waste. As I mentioned, our industrial customers can pay a lot of money per facility every year to deal with this wastewater. The only options they have today is to hold and haul, I mean it's land applied somewhere, or anaerobic digestion, which makes methane, which you can capture, burn, make electricity and heat. However, these wastewaters are so complex and so concentrated, typical anaerobic digestion typically doesn't work, and there is no return on investment for most of our customers who make tens of millions of dollars capital investment in this tech. So that's where we're changing the game. We rent equipment, we don't sell it. We provide a performance guarantee. We offer energy neutral operations, but by making DC power, not methane. And so we provide our customers immediate savings. This is a system we've had installed in Tijuana since 2016. Inside that 20-foot by 8-foot shipping container is our core technology, the BETT reactors. We do treatment to a point where it can be discharged either directly to a sewer or to a post-treatment system to elevate that reuse level. Our technology is based on a microbial fuel cell. This is the science behind it. We use naturally existing bacteria already present in the wastewater to form fixed films or biofilms on the conductive surfaces inside of our reactors. As they do that, they form these films, they actually use the surfaces as a way to breathe, as a way to respire. And in this respiration process, they give up electrons. We're able to capture those electrons on our electrode surface. We move them across a circuit, producing DC power. And as we do that, we actually make them breathe faster. So the faster we move electrons away from these bacteria, the faster they breathe, which means the faster they eat. And that's what actually drives treatment rate. So the more electricity that we produce, the faster the treatment rate is. And again, these are all natural microbes sourced from the local environment, nothing grown in the lab, nothing GMO. So we have patents in the space. We've got patents pending and 15 years of know-how in this space. So we have varying efficiencies with the different wastewaters that we treat. We work a lot with breweries, confection, mayonnaise production, swine waste, dairy, all the great smelling stuff. And we actually are most efficient under continuous flow. So we can have a very small footprint for our installation, but provide very highly efficient treatment for our customers. The higher the strength of wastewater, the better we do. And so our BETT reactors are actually the size of a standard car battery. They're quite small. Wastewater comes in, it moves past all of those little cylinders that you see in the breakout there. That's where the bacteria are attached. As that wastewater moves past those cylinders, it gets a little bit cleaner. And what we do is we stack these systems together like Legos to increase treatment quality or capacity. We can fit 300 of these reactors into a single 20-foot container. We can fit 600 into a standard 40-foot container. And the number of reactors that we use defines either how much volume we process or how clean we get the water. And again, this is all done on OpEx, so there's no capital expenditure, and we guarantee performance for all of our customers. We have installations in Hawaii with the U.S. Navy, 2 here in Southern California, 1 with a brewer outside of Joshua Tree National Park. I mentioned our installation in Tijuana already. This is pictures of our system in action. At Joshua Tree, we offer skid-mounted pilot systems to validate the technology with a customer on their site. That translates into a full-scale unit, which then we plug and play instead. We offer the fastest treatment times on the market, high reliability, low footprint, and less sludge management than any technology on the market today. We're a great team. We've all worked together for a long time. My partners, myself, Sophia, and Ryoji. We are a woman-owned San Diego-based business. We have the fortunate opportunity to be a part of some awesome accelerators. And we just closed our seed round of funding, which was $4 million. We will be opening a Series A shortly. Come see me about that. As Marty mentioned, we're one of the cool companies this year. We've been gaining traction within the ecosystem here as well as internationally within the industry of wastewater and water. So we're super excited to move forward with our BioElectrochemical treatment technology, or BETT, to make wastewater treatment better. And if you have high-strength wastewater that you need to get rid of, come find me. Thanks.